How to subscribe to AI Flashcard Premium. First of all, open the Knowt app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Plans. Tap on it and you will see two options, Restore Plan and Upgrade. Select Upgrade and you will be presented with different subscription plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, then tap Continue. Select your preferred payment method, whether it's Google Play, the App Store, or a credit card, and complete the purchase. Once the payment is successful, your account will automatically be upgraded to AI Flashcard Premium, unlocking all the advanced features and benefits. Now you can enjoy premium features like unlimited flashcard creation, offline access, and personalized learning tools designed to make studying smarter and easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.